0W8, the thinnest oil ever made. It behaves like a chemical experiment in motion, the kind of fluid you'd expect to handle with gloves and goggles instead of just twisting open a bottle. It's so thin that if you tilt the bottle too fast, it races to the cap like it's trying to escape. Engineers designed it for engines carved with microscopic precision, the kind you only find in Japan's newest hybrids and K cars. Its biggest trick happens before you even start driving. On a freezing morning, most oils take a second to wake up. This one doesn't wait. It slides through the engine instantly, coating bearings and camshafts faster than anything else on the market. That split-second advantage matters because most engine wear happens right when the engine fires. No pressure, no film, just bare metal needing protection. This oil gets there in time, and once the engine warms up, it turns into the ultimate fuel-saving cheat code. The engine doesn't waste energy pushing against thick oil. Every movement feels lighter, smoother, more efficient. That's why Japanese manufacturers started experimenting with it first. 10W60, the BMW M motorsport oil. High revs, tight tolerances, and long pulls on the autobahn demand something with muscle, and 10W60 shows up like it's built from reinforced molecules. The cold side starts at a 10 weight, which is already thicker than the typical commuter oil. But once that engine wakes up and those pistons start hammering, the number jumps to a 60 weight wall of protection. That hot viscosity is the real star. It keeps the oil film strong when temperatures climb past the point where many oils begin thinning out and losing grip on the metal they're supposed to guard. BMW didn't pick this grade as a marketing stunt. Their older high-performance engines, especially the S54 and S62, hit oil temps that would make most blends fade. Engineers tested everything, and 10W60 handled the punishment again and again, holding its shape under extreme load, high-speed runs, and track-level heat cycles. 5W50, the street racing hybrid oil. On calm mornings, it behaves like a polite 5 weight, slipping through the engine with easy cold start flow. But once temperatures climb and the engine starts breathing harder, it transforms into a full 50 weight heavyweight. That range is enormous, one of the widest spreads you can buy, and that's why enthusiasts love it. Engines that bounce between city traffic and weekend hard driving put their oil through mood swings, stop-and-go heat, sudden throttle bursts, long climbs, cold restarts. It's chaos in liquid form. 5W50 handles all of it without blinking. Rally cars, tuned turbo engines, and even factory performance models have used this grade because it keeps protection steady during violent temperature swings. This oil's hidden strength comes from its resistance to shear. Under high RPM, oil molecules get pushed, stretched, and sliced by the engine's internals. Many grades thin out under that pressure. 5W50 stays in shape, keeping its hot viscosity strength even when the engine is pushing deep into the red. Manufacturers like Ford have recommended it for performance models, and big names like Castrol and Mobil build premium versions specifically for high-stress engines. 10W30, the old engine stabilizer. Cars built in the 90s and early 2000s were engineered with looser internal clearances, and as the years stack up, those gaps widen just a bit more. This oil steps into that environment with the right mix of thickness and flow, giving worn internals something solid to work with. Cold starts become smoother because the 10 weight side brings enough body to fill the spaces a tired engine develops over time. It doesn't rush through the system like a thin racing oil. Instead, it forms a calm, steady film that helps quiet lifter ticks and cushion loose components during that first crank of the morning. Once the engine warms up, the 30-weight behavior takes over, holding stable pressure for everyday driving without dragging the engine down. 0W40, the luxury performance protector. Porsche signs off on it, AMG relies on it, and Audi's performance division treats it like a trusted bodyguard. When an automaker puts its high-end engines through torture testing, 0W40 consistently survives the punishment, which explains why it's earned so many factory approvals around the world. Its cold start behavior is the surprise. The 0W rating means this oil flows instantly in freezing temperatures, slipping into the tight clearances of modern performance engines before friction has a chance to introduce itself. No hesitation, no waiting around. It gets to work early, which is the moment engines need the most help. Once the revs climb and temperatures surge, the 40-weight character takes over. High heat tends to thin weaker oils and make them lose their protective film. 0W40 holds its shape under those conditions, keeping turbochargers fed with consistent lubrication and stabilizing engine temperatures on long pulls. That stability is a big reason European performance cars run smoothly even after years of aggressive driving. 15W40, the heavy-duty detergent monster. This grade has been the backbone of trucks, SUVs, diesel engines, construction vehicles, and even some high-mileage petrol engines for decades. What makes it stand out is the chemistry inside the bottle. Massive detergent and dispersant packages designed to keep soot, carbon, and grime under control. Engines that tow, haul, idle for long hours, or live in dusty regions gather contaminants faster than regular commuter cars. That buildup can thicken oil, clog passages, and spike temperatures if it's not handled properly. 15W40's additives break that sludge apart and keep particles suspended so they can be filtered out instead of baking onto engine walls. The viscosity itself fits heavier engines perfectly. At cold start, the 15 weight side keeps the oil from rushing too thin, giving older or high-load engines a stable film right from the first crank. Once fully warmed, the 40 weight behavior steps in, maintaining pressure during long runs, steep climbs, and high-load situations where lighter oils would start feeling stressed. 0W20, the cold start king. It was built for modern Japanese engines, the ones with tight tolerances, light internals, and hybrid systems that never give the engine a predictable schedule. One moment it's off, the next it's firing back to life. That stop-start rhythm demands an oil that can spread across metal surfaces instantly, and 0W20 handles that job like it's second nature. Its biggest advantage happens at the first spark of the morning. Engines suffer their most wear during startup, when the oil hasn't reached all the moving parts yet. 0W20 flows so quickly that it forms a protective film almost immediately, reducing the dry friction that causes long-term damage. That ability became a major selling point for Toyota, Honda, Lexus, Subaru, and Mazda as they shifted toward efficiency-focused designs. Once the engine warms, the 20-weight character keeps things running light. The thin film reduces internal drag, allowing the crankshaft and pistons to move with less resistance. That free movement helps fuel economy and keeps temperatures predictable during daily driving. It also supports engines built with variable valve timing systems and lightweight rotating assemblies. Even turbocharged 4 cylinders in many Japanese models rely on it because the oil stability meets the demands of modern, small displacement designs. 20W50, the life support oil for dying engines. This grade came from an era when engines were bigger, hotter, louder, and nowhere near as delicate as today's precision-built power plants. Over time, as those engines aged, clearances widened, seals stiffened, and oil pressure started dropping. That's when 20W50 stepped in and became the automotive equivalent of life support. Mechanics use this grade when an old engine still runs but shows its age in every temperature spike and every long climb. Drivers use it when they want to keep a beloved machine on the road instead of in a scrapyard. 5W20, the smoothness booster. When automakers in North America started chasing smoother throttle response and better fuel numbers, this grade stepped into the spotlight. Ford, Chrysler, and later Hyundai and Kia began building engines that performed best when the oil didn't fight them on every rotation. Engineers didn't pick 5W20 randomly. They built entire families of engines, especially modern EcoBoost and V6 setups, around its behavior. The narrow viscosity range reduces wasted energy and keeps temperatures predictable in everyday use. 0W30, the long-distance traveler. Engines that spend hours cruising at steady speeds build heat in a slow, controlled climb, and this oil handles that environment with impressive balance. The 0W side brings the quick cold start flow modern engines depend on, slipping through narrow passages the moment the key turns. That instant movement reduces early wear, especially in colder climates where hesitation can cause metal-to-metal stress. Once the temperature settles, the 30-weight personality comes alive. This is where the long-distance strength shows up. The viscosity stays consistent during extended drives, keeping a steady oil film on bearings and cam lobes even after hours of operation. Engines running 0W30 rarely feel strained on long trips because the oil keeps friction predictable and avoids thinning out when the road stretches for hundreds of kilometers. Manufacturers like Volvo and BMW have leaned on this grade for certain models because it supports engines built for balance. Not too heavy, not too light, always stable. It's also a trusted choice for drivers in colder regions who still expect performance on the open road. The combination of low temperature agility and warm temperature reliability makes it one of the more underrated oils on the shelf. 5W40, the Turbo Bodyguard. It handles turbocharged engines the way a seasoned bouncer handles a loud nightclub, steady, unbothered, and always ready for the next spike in heat. Turbo engines run hotter than traditional setups because exhaust gases spool a turbine spinning at over 150,000 RPM. That brutal environment demands oil that can stay stable, keep its shape, and avoid burning into crusty deposits. 5W40 steps into that chaos with the exact strength those engines need. Brands like Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, and many diesel manufacturers rely heavily on this grade because of its durability under pressure. It fits turbocharged engines like armor, supporting high temperatures and sudden boosts without losing composure. 10W40, the heat-resistant workhorse. Engines that run in places where the sun doesn't take days off often struggle with thinner oils thinning out too quickly. This grade brings a thicker backbone that stays stable, giving older engines the breathing room they need when temperatures rise and cooling systems are working overtime. It doesn't brag, it doesn't overpromise. It holds its ground mile after mile, keeping engines running smoother than they have any right to at those temperatures. SAE40, Vintage Heat Fighter. It carries the swagger of an oil that spent its prime years in roaring V8 engines, air-cooled engines, and machines that shook the ground when they warmed up. This grade was built for engines that ran hot long before modern cooling systems were refined. Straight-weight oils don't shift personalities with temperature. SAE40 holds the same thick, confident viscosity from the moment it reaches operating heat until the moment the engine shuts down. Classic engines with larger internal clearances and simple oil passages rely on that steady behavior. When temperatures rise and metal expands, SAE40 maintains a strong oil film that doesn't break apart under pressure. Air-cooled engines, especially in older motorcycles, vintage Beetles, and classic trucks, benefit from its ability to stay firm during long, hot runs where thinner oils would start losing their edge. Cold starts take a bit more encouragement because the oil is thicker at low temperatures. But once it warms up, SAE40 settles into a groove that older engines understand instinctively. It cushions warm bearings, supports hot-running pistons, and handles the type of heat modern engines rarely see. SAE50, the muscle car heavyweight. This grade built its reputation inside big displacement motors that shook the garage every time they fired up. Classic muscle cars, older motorcycles, and engines that idled louder than some modern cars at full throttle all depended on its thick, unwavering oil film. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, SAE50 holds a viscosity that barely flinches. Hot-running V8s, especially air-cooled or high-compression setups, create immense pressure on bearings and crank journals. This oil forms a protective layer strong enough to hold that load without thinning out or sliding away from the metal surfaces. That stability kept engines alive during long summer cruises, drag strip sessions, and high heat driving before modern cooling systems were as efficient as they are today. 15W50, the high-temp performance oil. This grade was engineered for engines that face intense heat cycles, older performance cars, tuned setups, and machines that see spirited weekend runs where temperatures climb fast and stay high. Once the oil warms, the 50-weight behavior brings a thick, solid film that keeps everything supported during aggressive driving. Brands like Mobil and Motul build premium 15W50 blends specifically aimed at engines that need both durability and thickness at temperature. It supports engines that are past their early years but still capable of delivering serious power when pushed. 5W30, the universal sweet spot. Automakers from Japan, Europe, and the US rely on it because it fits modern engineering perfectly. Tight tolerances, variable valve timing, lightweight components, and engines that juggle city traffic with highway runs every single day. If engine oils were athletes, 5W30 would be the all-rounder who never sits out a game. Manufacturers often build engines with 5W30 in mind, tuning oil passages, pumps, and tolerances around its flow characteristics. That synergy is one reason this grade appears in owner's manuals across nearly every segment: sedans, crossovers, small SUVs, and even some performance models. Any I missed? Comment it down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, you'll surely love this one.